So this is a quick video that teaches you how you can trade. The trade is not a big word, it's just how you can actually convert your assets, to USDT. If you want to liquidate them to USDT, or you also want to buy, them using USDT. So whichever way you want to do, you want to sell, you want to buy, the same approaches go there. So how do we go about that? So we'll come here very fast. You come to your trade. I'm using OKx as an example. It's also applicable to other, centralized exchanges. So you go to your trade. Now you should be able to pick the pair that you want. The pair that you want. Yeah, if you want this BTC USDT, but let's say you want to use X Raiders, that's XR. What you need to do is to tap that same place where you see BTC. You tap there, then the next thing you come over here and then you search for what you want. If what you want is not found among here, yeah, you search. So I click on search and I type XR. The only SR I'm seeing is SRP, that's Ripple. So you can click for more. You see where it's written more, you click for more, and then you look for the extra you are looking for. So look the SR X-ray, that is what I'm looking for. Yeah, so I tap on it, so it pops up there. So what are you interested in doing? Mind you, you need to change this limit order to market order if you really want to sell off using the market price now. Limit order is when you want to sell off at a particular price. Yeah, so mind you, we want to sell, so we click here first. We want to sell, and you want to change the limit order to market order. So I go to sell. I'm selling. I have how many units? I have like 50 units, 50.85 units of SR. So I change the limit order to market order, meaning it's going to sell up at this market order. Then I now come here and say I'm selling. You drag this to 100 if you are selling all the 50.85, and they're even telling you if I'm dragging, you are seeing the dollar equivalent of what you're selling. So if I'm selling all, I'm going to get 21.9 USDT. So when I'm done, I hit the sell. So this is it. So we are selling at market order, and I'm selling 100%. Or if you don't want to drag this, you can come here and impute the total amount you want to sell per time. So when you're done with that, you click on sell. So I click on sell, but I'm not selling. So that's that. The same thing is applicable to buy. Yes, let's say you sold it and you now have some USDT in your wallet. So you want to use that USDT to buy another asset. So you change this thing to buy. You still leave it at market order, except you want to buy it at a lower market order. You now set it at limit order. So we are buying at market order. You'll be interested in putting the amount of dollar you want to use in buying your SR token. Let's say if it's SR you want to buy, but let's say you want to buy tone, you need to click on the SR and then search here for tone. You click on your tone, it changes to tone USDT, so I can impute the amount of dollars I want to use to acquire my tone. So when I'm done, mind you, at market order, when I'm done, I will hit the buy button, and definitely you have your tone sitting in equivalent to the amount of USDT you use in buying it. I think this helps explain about you buying or selling a particular token. Thank you so much.